So the water pushed the fish to the sea, to Gudas, to the seashore. V'charav minei, Tein mechuzeh, and he destroyed it. He killed 60 cities, 60 provinces. But again, he's talking about 60. V'achla minei, Shitin mechuzeh. And what?
It's called a stickleback. The kilbit is a kind of stickleback which is supposed to breed only in brine, form with the clean species of fish.
Stickle big time, eh?
Exactly.
Okay, so that's what it was in the story. Anyways, they both get thrown onto the land and they kill 60 towns, or they smash it, they destroy it.